students. I am Hifza Sheikh, science teacher of Happy Palace Group of Schools. Today, the topic of my lecture is What is Science? What is science? Science is the study of natural world through observation and experiment. A scientific explanation uses observations and measurements to explain something we see in the natural world. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for the benefit of mankind. Technology has enabled us to grow more food, make our homes more comfortable, and move from one place to another with ease. The discovery of new medicines which can help to prevent or cure many illness and disease, and the invention of machines which can be used in medical treatment enable us to live longer and healthier. However, the misuse of scientific discoveries has also resulted in pollution and the invention and use of deadly weapons that are harmful to us and our environment. So, we need to use science with great care. Introduce you with some famous scientists. John Dalton was an English chemist, physicist, and meteorologist. He is best known for introducing the atomic theory into chemistry and for his research into color blindness, sometimes referred to as Daltonism in his honor. Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, and author who is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of all the time. Louis Pasteur was a French biologist, microbiologist, and chemist, renowned for his discoveries of the principles of vaccination. The scientific method is the most common method used by scientists in their investigation. The flowchart shows the stages in the scientific method. For example, it is observed that shadows are cast when objects block light. Coming up with a hypothesis, a suggested explanation that can be tested to explain the observation. Let's make the hypothesis that light travels in a straight line. And carrying out experiments to test the hypothesis. Light is found to travel in a straight line. The hypothesis that light travels in a straight line becomes a theory. After being tested a number of times and found to be true, the theory that light travels in a straight line finally becomes a law of science. In the science laboratory may be fun, but it can be dangerous if we are not careful. For our own safety, as well as the safety of others in the laboratory, we must follow laboratory safety rules. Don't touch the animals, wear safety glasses, wear lab coat, wear gloves when necessary, don't eat at your workstation, clean up your workspace. Dangerous chemicals are labeled with the special symbols to warn users about the hazardous nature of the chemicals. Symbols to show hazardous substances. Some common laboratory apparatus. Many types of apparatus are used for scientific work in laboratories. They enable us to carry out experiments successfully and make accurate measurements or observations. I hope you all are understood with this lecture. Soon I will upload assignments on Google Classroom related to this topic. So keep revising the lecture.